Mastering the art of English conversation, effectively using fillers. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another video in our conversational English series. Today, we are diving into a very interesting topic: how to use fillers effectively. Fillers are those little words or sounds we insert into our sentences when we're thinking, hesitating, or just trying to keep the conversation going. So, let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by fillers. Fillers are words or phrases we use in conversation to fill silence or buy time while we think of what to say next. They are very common in natural conversation and include words and phrases like like, you know, and so. Using them correctly can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Though fillers can seem casual and unimportant, using them appropriately is essential. Excessive use of fillers can make you sound unsure or unconfident. It's all about balance. Use fillers sparingly and when they make sense in the conversation. For instance, using or when you're thinking about your response, or like when you're about to give an example. Let's look at some common fillers and their uses. 1. And These are typically used when you need a moment to collect your thoughts. 2. Like. This can be used when giving examples or expressing similarity. For instance, it was like the biggest cake I've ever seen. 3. You know. This phrase is often used to make sure the listener is following along or to emphasize a point. 4. So. This is often used to transition between ideas or to continue a point. To effectively use fillers, practice is key. Try incorporating fillers in your everyday conversation. Start slow and observe native speakers to understand when and how they use these fillers. Remember, the goal is not to use them as much as possible but to use them naturally and effectively. Well, that wraps up our session on using fillers effectively in English. Remember, while fillers are an important part of natural-sounding speech, balance is key. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find your English sounding more natural and fluent than ever. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning!